Hello guys, and welcome to this series of Canva. In this video I'm gonna be teaching you the how to make thumbnails in Canva for your YouTube channels and your amazing videos. I exactly know that making an attractive thumbnail is what you all need for your YouTube channels. So I will be teaching you the how you can make highly attractive thumbnails. So without wasting time, let's jump into our computer screens and open up your Google first. So here we have opened our Google, and now we are going to write here Canva. Okay, so I'm just going on to Canva. Let's press enter, and the Canva is opened here. Now we will be going to search for YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails. And it's just opening up. Let it open first. Okay, so now you can see there are every kind of thumbnails available here for gym and diets and everything, teaching something, being smart, tech kind of also, and all these. Okay, so there are many categories available here. You can specifically search that category into search section as well. But let me tell you something which is needed here. Okay, so you can see when I hover over my mouse to here, so there is written free, and here you can see onto this one that here a dollar sign is there and it's written paid. So this is the difference here. Okay, you need to look at to the free ones if you are not willing to pay, if you don't want to pay them. Okay, so you will be looking for free. Most of the resources here are free available. You can use them free. There is no need to pay. Okay, so this one again is paid, and you can also see there is a crown symbol with some where pro is written. So these are only available to the people who have paid for a pro account, okay, who have bought the premium of Canva Pro. They have paid for Canva Pro. Okay, there are some paid, there are some free, and there are some pro. Okay, so these things go like this. So we will be going on with the free now because we don't need much. Okay, so let me just open randomly some and teach you how you can edit this. So come on to this and click here. So it will take some time to load, and it's just opened. Okay, so this is a template. Template is anything that is already made and you can edit it completely. You can change it according to your needs. Okay, so there are some options available here as well. If you like some of them, you can open that template. These are related to your needs. Okay, these are this kind of, and these are recently used. I made from them. Okay, so here you have some options more as well, and you can also upload some templates, upload your photos if you want to add, and something like that. Okay, so you can edit this basically now. So whatever your channel's name is, you can put here. So I am just opening up here. I just double click on this, and now I am writing Digital's Earth. Okay, so let me just type Digital's Earth, and it's written. It's very small. It's not needed to write so big. Okay, so just type anything here. Double click and type whatever your topic of your video is. Okay, so I am just going to write how to make thumbnails. Okay, so I have written this, and here you can write all you need, and it's written. Okay, so clicks on side. If you want to drag it, you can obviously click it once and then drag and drop anywhere. Okay, so this is very simple. Learn it again. Press, hold the button and drag it anywhere where you want. If you have made mistake, press Ctrl and Z for undo. Okay, Ctrl and Z for undo. So this is how it works. Okay, you can also stretch it and this way and also this way, okay, anywhere you want, okay, according to your needs. This completely depends on you. However you need it, you can change this. There is nothing big in this, okay. So you can also double click onto the image and drag it, drop it like this. You can increase and do it according to your needs. You can trim it out, okay. If you want to crop it somehow, you can also do that, okay. So I done, and now click onto done, and it's done. I did not crop it because I don't need to crop it, but if you need to crop it, you can do that, okay. So now you have successfully created your thumbnail, okay. And now let me show you how to save. Go into the download button, click onto this once, and you can see there are some formats available. JPEG is a small size, okay, but this PNG is a high quality image. This is a high quality image, so I prefer you people going with PNG. Click onto this, and you cannot increase or decrease size because you have not bought a pro account, okay. But with the pro account, you can increase, decrease size, and you can change some width and height and everything, okay. You can make the background transparent, you can compress file, I mean, like, you can lower the quality if you want. With this here, quality means lower the size of the image, okay. If it's 1 MB, you can lower it to some KBs and things like this, okay. So these are all options available for Canva Pro, but I suggest you don't waste your money. If you are a small scale YouTube channel or you don't need much Canva, so don't pay them. You can go with free, but if you need to buy, you can obviously do that, okay. Now let's click on to download, and I just clicked onto this, and you can see that here I have got a download. So it was not that big, and this is download. Let's open up this, and you can see we have successfully made this thumbnail, okay. So this was all from this lesson. I hope you liked my video, and I hope you have understood how you can create amazing and highly attractive thumbnails in Canva for your YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you very much for watching.